What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing and first impressions of the Galaxy Note 9 from Samsung. Stay tuned. Yes guys, so I actually copped the Galaxy Note 9. I know a lot of you aren't going to even care, but I actually paid $1,100 for this after tax, pretty much almost $1,100. It was $1,095, so a lot of money right there on a phone. Now the version that I actually got was the 128GB version with 6GB of RAM. Obviously you guys know the specifications already on this device: 1440 by 2960, 6.4-inch screen, 12-megapixel rear-facing camera that shoots at 2160p, and this is the 6GB version of RAM that I already told you about, and we also have a 4000 mAh battery in this beast of a phone. But let's go ahead and unbox this. Alright guys, so here we have the device. Let's go ahead and unbox this now. I believe this is going to be some very good presentation from Samsung. Let's go ahead and fold this open. Ooh, nice. Galaxy Note 9 right there. Let's go ahead and take this out really quick and open this up. So first and foremost, we have the SIM ejector tool. We also have our quick reference guide as well as some other manuals. We have our Galaxy Note 9 right here, and we're going to save this because we're going to save the best for last. Next thing we have in the box is the adaptive fast charge wall charger. Next thing we have right here is the USB connector to USB Type-C. Now basically this is for data transferring from another phone, so this is actually really cool that Samsung provides this. Next thing we have right here is the USB Type-C data cable. Next we have our AKG headphones, and AKG is a very reputable brand, so if you guys didn't know about AKG, these are probably going to be very decent. We also have replaceable earbuds. We also have 2 replaceable tips for your S Pen, and we have the tool to actually go ahead and replace them. Alright guys, so next we're going to be actually taking a look at the phone, so let's go ahead and take this plastic off, and let's go ahead and take the front screen protector off. First and foremost, we have that dual rear facing camera right here. Now this is probably going to be one of the best cameras on the market. We also have a fingerprint sensor right under there, and it looks like it's farther away from the camera than the Note 8, so it looks like we're not going to smudge it as much. We also have our Samsung logo right there. We have our Galaxy Note 9 logo right here. Right side of the device, we have a clicky and tactile power button. Left side of the device, we have our volume rocker and our dreaded Bixby button that won't let us map applications to it. So let's go ahead and fix that, Samsung. Next, we have our 3.5mm head jack, our USB Type-C port, our noise canceling mic, and our speaker at the bottom of the device. And if you guys don't know already, we have the yellow S Pen inside this device. So a very nice looking S Pen right here. Yes indeed. So we have a blue top right here, very clicky, and we also have a gold little logo right there. It says Samsung at the end of the pen, and the rest of the pen is actually going to be yellow, and the tip is going to be white. So definitely love the blue and yellow colorway. Good stuff, Samsung. We also have the button right here, which we can now take pictures with, which is actually going to be pretty dope, I think. Let's go ahead and pop that back in. Super addicting, actually. Top of the device, we have our SIM tray and another noise cancelling mic. So that was actually it for the hardware. Let's go ahead and boot up this device. So we have the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 secured by Knox right here, powered by Android. Let's go ahead and let it boot up. Also, so far, this is one of the most beautiful bodies I've seen on a phone, and Samsung has done it again with that curved kind of over-the-edge display, as they've done on tons of their different products. They've also curved the back right here, so this should feel very nice in your hand. But honestly, the blue color looks beautiful. Honestly, it looks beautiful. A little darker than I actually imagined, but I'm not complaining. The color with the phone, everything, the accents and different stuff like that, perfect on this device. Alright guys, so next thing it's going to ask you to do is do a security setup. So we can set up an intelligent face scan, we can set up face recognition, iris scanner, fingerprint sensor, PIN, pattern, or password, or no thank you. So we're going to go ahead and set up the fingerprint scanner really quick. Alright guys, so the phone is now set up. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the software really quick, see what we're running on this device. So for our software, it looks like we have Android version 8.1. Hopefully we're going to be getting Android P soon. I believe we have an update though, so we're going to go ahead and do that later on. But so far, one of the snappiest phones I have ever used in my entire life, so this is definitely going to be one of the snappiest phones probably you ever used. Has the 845 Snapdragon processor. Depending on how many gigabytes of RAM you have, obviously we're going to have various windows open on this device. You can play any game on high graphics, so this is pretty crazy, guys. I'm going to give you my full review on this, obviously break down the device. S Pen looking sexy over here. And yeah, but yeah, tell me in the comments down below what you guys want me to do next with this phone. And if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not a part of the tech gang already. This has been some fun from TechRight. Peace out, tech gang.